Look at the beehive. Woo. Beehive right here on this, looks like some type of desk or nightstand or bookshelf. Maybe a couch, I don't know what it was. Look at this. Unbelievable. Wow. Real live bees. Right here underneath a bridge. How many bees do you think are in here? What's the difference from the white honeycomb and the yellow? Maybe the yellow has the honey in it, and the white is just being prepared for honey. It's unbelievable. Look at this. I'll get you guys a little closer look. Look out. Tons of them. Look at that, look at that. Anybody want some honey? We got free honey. Free honey. Just kidding, y'all. Alright. So I'm gonna call the beehive remover place. Have them removed safely. I don't want anybody fucking with them. Alright guys, until next time. Keep you updated.